The OrbiMAX CELLULOSE 1600 is 100% German engineered and manufactured, and it features that German technology, the German reliability. The CELLULOSE 1600 can be used in such a massive range of applications, from small repair jobs to larger jobs on mine sites, and it's small enough to just chuck in the back of your ute without having to lug around a large generator. So the CELLULOSE 1600 is available to be bought with a backpack. The backpack's got everything you need, so you can strap the welder down to it, and then that also comes with a remote control to turn the welder on and off. And the backpack's completely adjustable to fit anybody. The feedback we've had is it's very comfortable and super convenient. It's a great product. Physically it's very small, and in terms of its weight, well, the inverter on its own is about 4 kilograms and the battery is about 7 kilos. All up with the backpack, it's 14 kilos, so super light. But the main thing is, although it's lightweight, it's still very powerful. It's 160 amps, and not many welders of that size will burn cellulose rods.
The compactness and the weight of it is excellent. There's no strain on your body or any way, shape or form to move it around, so easy. Even though it's compact in size, it's still powerful enough to have a smooth arc all the way through every rod. The CELLULOSE, in my opinion, is versatile, compact and powerful. Yeah, without a doubt, I'd recommend it to anyone who has to use a little inverter, yeah, not a problem.
So the OrbiMAX CELLULOSE 1600 has got anti-stick, it's got Hotstart, it's got a TIG welding mode and a stick welding mode, and it's got a mode especially for doing cellulose electrodes, so it'll weld a 4mm cellulose electrode, no worries. So the OrbiMAX CELLULOSE 1600 has been used by some of the big mining companies in Australia on remote mine sites in some of the most harsh environments, and it's proven its reliability time and time again. What differentiates the CELLULOSE 1600 from other battery welders on the market is that you can change the battery, and you can also run the welder off a generator or off mains power. So if your battery runs out, you can change it to another battery, or you can plug it into over 200 metres of extension lead without a drop in voltage. It's amazing. This is top level stuff, and that's why we've given it a 3-year warranty. So the CELLULOSE 1600 from OrbiMAX is compact and powerful and reliable.